Bloomfield Homes is excited to announce Terracina, our newest community in Rockwall, Texas. This is a great location just south of I-30 near the intersection of Rochell Rd and Texas Highway 276. You're just minutes from downtown Dallas, near highways I-20 and 635, as well as the George Bush Tollway. You can choose from our classic series of floor plans with dozens of designs from 1,800 to over 4,300 square feet. This includes 1, 1.5, and 2-story homes from 3 to 6 bedrooms, 2 to 5.5 bathrooms, multi-generational designs, game rooms, media rooms, outdoor living. There is something for everyone. There's a wide variety of home sites that'll give you the opportunity to have a 2.5 or even a 3-car garage. And gas utilities will be available. Regardless of which design you choose, you'll have architectural features throughout, loads of natural light, and more included features at the base price than any home builder. Terracina will offer a variety of amenities to take advantage of, including a park, pavilion, playground, and open space. Rockwall ISD is one of the most recognized districts in all of Dallas-Fort Worth for both academics and athletic achievements. The lifestyle is really attracting a lot of people to Rockwall. There's a charming historic downtown with shopping and dining. And then there's the harbor on Lake Ray Hubbard with year-round activities both on and off the lake. If you're not on the lake, you could take advantage of one of the nearby golf courses or even visit the Rossini Vineyards. And with Dallas so close, you'll have access to the Arboretum and Botanical Gardens. Catch a Mavericks game at the American Airlines Center or visit the Dallas Zoo and Dallas Aquarium. Come see why there's something for everyone in Rockwall's newest community, Terracina.